In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a chat on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. To do this, navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're on the landing page, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and a prompt will appear asking for your account credentials. Enter your email and password and hit the Sign In button. This will give you access to your Teams environment and all its features. Once you've successfully signed in, your next step is to locate the Chat tab. Take a look at the left-hand sidebar of your screen. You should see several options available to you, and among them there's a Chat tab. Click on that tab, and it will take you to your Chat section, where you can engage in messaging with individuals or groups. Now, if you're looking to chat with someone specific, the next thing you'll want to do is search for your contacts or groups. At the top of the Chat section, you will notice a search bar. Click on it and type in the name of the person or group you want to start a conversation with. As you type, suggestions will pop up. When you see the correct name, click on it to open that chat. If you find that you need to bring someone new into your Microsoft Teams environment, it's quite simple to invite them. Look for an option that says Invite People to Teams within the Chat section, or you can also find it in the settings. This will allow you to add someone who doesn't yet have access. After selecting the Invite option, you will typically see a button to generate an invite link. Click on that Copy button, and just like that, you will have a unique invitation link created for the person you wish to bring into the chat. Now, what you need to do is share this invite link with the person you want to join your Teams space. You can send the copied link via email, a messaging app, or any other form of communication that you prefer. Just paste the link into your message, and once they receive it, they can click on it to join your chat seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to join a chat on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're connecting with colleagues, friends, or adding new members to your team, it's all made easy with these steps. If you follow each of these instructions carefully, you'll be able to navigate the chat feature in no time. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, a subscription and a like would be greatly appreciated. Happy